Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah Owens. I'm majoring in elementary education. Um, I would like to end up around second or third grade if possible, but I'd be happy with anywhere. I'm from Cincinnati. It's a really small town. It's actually just a couple minutes from the Missouri border. And something about my life, I like to be outdoors. I like to walk my dog, especially this time of year. It's my favorite time of year in the fall. And I like to spend time with my family. Um, I like to garden. I started playing the piano recently. I'm not very good at it. Uh, I'm taking this course because I was always like a arts and drama and choir type of person, not really athletic. So that's something I hope to learn from this course too, is just how to integrate more of the arts into classroom instruction. Because I feel like there's already a lot of movement and athletic type things. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to this term. Good luck, everyone. Nice to meet you.